I watched an AI bot create 47 sales orders in just 6 minutes. Here is what that means for your career. Let me paint a picture for you. Let's assume you are sitting at your desk. It's 9 a.m. Your inbox has 50 customer purchase orders waiting. You know the drill, right? Open each PDF, manually type everything into VA01, customer number, material orders, quantities, pricing, delivery dates, right? All is that what a business user needs to do. If your user is really fast, they finish by, let's say, 3 p.m. That's 6 hours of the day that a user is spending. Now picture this. An AI bot reads all 50 PDFs in 6 minutes, extracts every detail, validates against your master data, creates complete sales orders while you are having your morning coffee. This isn't a science fiction. This is happening right now at companies like Siemens, Bosch, and hundreds of other SAP customers. The question isn't, will AI take over data entry? The question is, what do I do when it does? How AI order automation actually works. Let me break this down with a in simple terms, no technical jargons. That's my goal, is to make things simplified, right? Step number one, reading the documents. SAP has a tool called document information extraction. Think of it as really a smart scanner. Customer sends a PDF purchase order, the AI reads it like you would, finds customer number in the header, extracts material codes and quantities from the line items, picks up the pricing and delivery dates. It doesn't matter if the PDF is messy, handwritten, or in the weird format. The AI figures it out. That's step number one. Now, step number two, creating the orders automatically. Once the data is extracted, an RPA bot, like basically a digital worker, right, logs into SAP just like how you would. It opens VA01, fills in every field, hit enter, save the sales order, send the confirmation email to the customer. Zero human typing here. Now, step number three, the smart part, validation. So here is where it gets very interesting, right? Before creating the order, the system validates everything. Is the customer created in the system? Is the material code correct? Does the pricing matches our condition records? Is there a credit block? Is the plant active for this material? If everything checks out, order gets created automatically. If something goes wrong, the system flags it and sends it to a human with a clear explanation. Customer so and so has a credit block, needs approval. That's how it happens. Now, step number four, the real industry standards. Here is the famous implementation pattern called 5LT bot, if I remember. The SAP uses as reference. It automates the entire order to cash flow. What it does, number one, AI extracts data from the PDF. Number two, system validates against master data. Number three, creates the order if everything passes. Number four, emails the customer automatically. Number five, post to shipping once the delivery is confirmed, right? What used to require five people now runs automatically, with humans only handling exceptions. What gets automated and what doesn't? Here is a breakdown that determines your future. Number one, see, AI handles this automatically about 80% of your volume. Standard reorders from known customers, orders that match your pricing exactly, right? Bulk uploads from Excel or CSV files, then deliveries to standard plans. Any order where nothing unusual happens, human still handle this, which is the valuable 20%. New customers who needs master data setup, pricing disputes that needs negotiation, credit hold releases and commercial approvals, cross module issues like stock shortages, delivery blocks, then customer discounts that breaks standard rules, special delivery requirements like dangerous goods, multiple plants, notices something weird. The easy repetitive work is gone. The complex judgment based work, still your need is there, right? Your 4 week action plan is this. Let me give you a simple roadmap to shift from order typist to an automation designer. What I want you to do is, week one, learn the tools. Sign up for SAP build process automation. It's free to try, right? Watch their documentation information, What's the documentation, information extraction demos on YouTube? There are so many YouTube videos already available. Download a free RPA bot from SAP store. Look for sales order creation, right? Spend 2 to 3 hours understanding how it works. So you don't need to code at all. Just see the flow, understand the flow, right? Then once you complete that, week 2, become an exception expert, right? Go to VA05 in your system, pull a report of the last 3 months. Find every order that was rejected or needed manual fixing. Document your top 10 failure reasons. Write maybe a wrong pricing procedure, maybe a delivery block, incomplete master data, credit holds, whatever patterns you see. Then create a simple rule. If customer is new and order value is near to 50,000, send a manager for approval. If the material is hazardous material and the plant is let's say 1,000, flag for logistics review, right? That's how you need to list down all the repetitive errors. Then week 3, build your first bot. Download a practice bot, configure it in your sandbox system, right? Create 50 test order PDFs, some perfect, right? Some deliberate efforts. Some perfect and deliberate efforts is what you need. Feed them through the bot. Document what really breaks and why. This gives a real hands-on experience, right? That's what you need to start. Then week 4, present your value, right? Create a simple one-pager proposal for your manager. Say that I can automate 60% of the current order volume in 90 days. Show the ROI. Current 30 hours per week on manual entry. Once you automate, 6 hours per week on exceptions, right? Saving 24 hours, right? Let's say your hourly rate per week, how much are you saving? Just calculate that. Position yourself as a person who designed this, not the person being replaced by it. Your career path just changed. Here is the shift that's happening right now. Old career path, junior consultants, senior consultants, team leads, all based on how fast I can set up a new sales process in the SAP system. New career path, exceptional handlers, right? Process designers, automation architects, the consultant who walks into a meeting and says, hey, I automated 80% of the order entry and designed intelligent exception handling system. That person gets promoted. That person is who get hired, right? That person gets a salary jump. The consultant who says, I'm really fast in configuring all sales process, I know all configurations, that person gets a participation trophy. While the company invests in bots, the bottom line is simple. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for boring, repetitive parts of your job. What's left is the interesting work, the problem solving, the exception handling, the design thinking. But only if you position yourself correctly, then only you'll be able to attract this trend. So follow me. I'll be showing you exactly how to make this shift from typist to an architect and go from replaceable to irreplaceable. Let's build your future together. Stay with me. Thank you.